The Tesla Model S door handles are known for their sleek, flush design, but also for occasional sticking. This is especially true for models manufactured before 2021. The sleek, flush design makes the car look modern, but can lead to handle issues. Common causes include mechanical wear from repeated use, corrosion, especially from road salt in winter areas, debris buildup in the mechanism, faulty microswitches within the handle mechanism. Extreme temperatures can also exacerbate these issues. We'll show you how to diagnose and address these problems. Before beginning the repair process on your Tesla Model S door handle, it's important to gather all the necessary tools and materials. This ensures you have everything ready for a smooth and safe procedure. First, you'll need a socket set, which includes various sized sockets and ratchets. This is essential for removing bolts and fasteners when accessing the door handle mechanism. Next, prepare both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. These are crucial for removing the different types of screws you'll encounter when disassembling the door panel. Plastic pry tools are necessary for gently removing trim pieces and panels from the door without damaging the interior surfaces. A dry silicone lubricant spray, such as WD-40 Specialist Silicone Lubricant, is recommended for lubricating the moving parts of the door handle mechanism without attracting dust or debris. Have replacement microswitches on hand, as these small electrical components may fail and need to be swapped out during the repair. A multimeter is essential for diagnosing electrical issues by testing voltage, continuity, and resistance in the door handle's wiring and sensors. Finally, wear safety gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges, electrical components, and lubricants while working on the vehicle. As an optional resource, consider having a Tesla Model S repair manual, which offers detailed diagrams and instructions to guide you through each step of the process. Often, a simple lubrication can solve a sticking door handle. Start by gently cleaning the visible parts of the handle mechanism with a soft cloth to remove any dirt or debris. Then, apply a generous amount of dry silicone lubricant to the moving parts, including the pivot points and the area where the handle retracts into the door. Work the handle in and out several times to distribute the lubricant. Avoid using oil-based lubricants, as they can attract more dirt over time. If lubrication doesn't solve the door handle sticking problem, a faulty microswitch may be the cause. These small electrical switches detect when you approach the handle, signaling the mechanism to deploy or retract. They work by closing electrical contacts when activated by proximity sensors. A microswitch has a moving lever that activates internal contacts. When pressed or triggered, it connects normally open terminals, completing an electrical circuit. This tells the door mechanism to move the handle. To test the microswitch, you'll need a multimeter. Set it to continuity mode and connect the probes to the switch's terminals. When you activate the switch by pressing or triggering it, the meter should show continuity with a beep or low resistance reading. No continuity means the switch is faulty. This image shows proper testing setup. The red and black probes connect to the microswitch terminals. When activated, a working switch will show continuity on the digital display. This schematic illustrates the microswitch in a circuit. The common terminal connects to power, while normally open and normally closed terminals control the handle mechanism. Understanding this helps diagnose electrical faults. If testing shows no continuity, replace the microswitch. First, consult your Tesla repair manual to locate it within the door handle mechanism. Carefully disconnect the wiring harness, noting terminal positions. Remove the faulty switch and install the replacement, ensuring wires connect to the correct terminals. Test the new switch before reassembling the mechanism. Replacement microswitches are available from Tesla service centers or online retailers. Always handle electrical components carefully to avoid shorts. If you're not comfortable with electrical work, take your vehicle to a certified Tesla technician for proper installation. To perform more in-depth repairs or replace the entire mechanism, you'll need to access it from inside the door panel. Use plastic pry tools to carefully remove the interior door panel, starting from the edges. Be mindful of clips and wiring harnesses. Once the panel is removed, you'll have access to the door handle mechanism. Disconnect any electrical connectors. Carefully unbolt the mechanism from the door. Take pictures as you disassemble to aid in reassembly. When repairing the door handle mechanism, start by inspecting for signs of corrosion, broken gears, or other damage. Use a wire brush to clean any corrosion and apply fresh lubricant to reduce friction. Tesla occasionally releases software updates that can improve door handle performance or provide diagnostic information. Ensure your car's software is up to date. These updates are delivered wirelessly and can address sticking problems or improve reliability without hardware changes. Check the app regularly for notifications about handle performance or recommended maintenance. These tools access detailed system data and can identify issues like faulty sensors or wiring problems that DIY methods might miss. Professional technicians can provide comprehensive repairs and ensure your vehicle remains safe and reliable. To prevent future sticking issues, regularly clean and lubricate your door handles, especially after exposure to road salt or harsh weather conditions. Consider applying a protective coating to metal parts to prevent corrosion. Looking ahead, newer Model S vehicles feature solid-state handles, eliminating the mechanical complexity of the older design. Tesla may also offer retrofit kits for older models in the future. Staying proactive with maintenance can significantly extend the life of your door handles.